Guys, as you may all know, nag-launch ng sariling meme token si President Trump. And kanina lang, nag-launch din si yung First Lady, asawa niya, si Melania Trump. Para sa silang merong meme coin. But for now, dito sa OKX, meron silang ongoing campaign for Trump token. Open to for new users and existing users. So you have less than 2 weeks para mag-register dito at sumali sa campaign. So paramihan lang ng trading volume to. So kung malaki yung trading volume mo, mas malaki magiging share mo sa prize pool na 1 million USDT. So for new users, kailangan mo lang mag-deposit ng 100 USDT and mag-trade ka ng 100 USDT worth of Trump token. May additional benefits tong para sa mga new users, no. Meron ka pang additional prize pool worth 700,000 USDT. And this one naman is for new and existing users. So, kailangan mo lang mag-trade ng at least 300 USDT worth on Trump pairs or Trump USDC, Trump USDT, at may makukuha kang prize pool doon sa 300,000 USDT. So, for new users, 1 million worth of USDT ang chance mo makakuha. And for existing users naman is 300,000. So, if interested ka sumali sa campaign na to, lilive ko ng link sa bio ko.